Hey everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Today we are gonna make a delicious homemade chocolate muffin. Let's get started. The ingredients you will need are sugar, salt, flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, hot water or milk, oil, and eggs. Next, prepare your muffin tin by lining it with paper cups. This step is quick and easy but also important. First, we'll start with the creaming process. Cream together the sugar and butter until it's light and fluffy. Now add the eggs to the cream mixture and beat until fluffy. Don't forget to scrap down the size they needed. This should take about 5 to 10 minutes. When the butter is ready, add the flour, vanilla, hot water or milk. Mix until everything is well combined. And oil. There. Look at that beauty butter. Okay. I use ice cream scoop to evenly distribute the butter into the muffin cups. This ensures each muffin is perfect size. Preheat your oven to 350 Fahrenheit degree and bake chocolate muffin for 20 minutes, from 18 to 20 minutes. And there you have it, delicious homemade chocolate muffin, fresh out from the oven. Now for the fun part, decorating. Once the chocolate muffins are cool, apply the Italian buttercream on the top. Get creative with your designs and enjoy it. Happy baking! Thanks for watching. See you again next time. Bye.